Hey guys, it's Carter with the Swing Trading Masterclass. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 4 stocks that I am buying, or top 4 that I see some sort of value in. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. Like, subscribe, do what you guys do, and I appreciate every single one of you. I always think it's smart to go into the week with some sort of game plan or strategy so you can kind of have a general idea of what stocks are moving, stocks are grooving, so you guys can make educated decisions on if you guys should buy them. So I highly recommend, if you guys want to learn more about trading or investing in the markets, check out my school. It's absolutely fantastic. Swing Trading Masterclass, code half off, 50% off, only valid for the next 2 people. So check it out right now. I'll see you in there. But guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at some of the positions that we're in on, I did take a nice little trade here with AMD. Now, one of the reasons why I love AMD is heavily invested in the technology, software, and not to mention the stock has sold off from 227 all the way to lows near 144. So in my opinion, it was massively undervalued. And looking at their past earnings here, you guys can see they still brought in about $5.4 billion compared to the previous of about 6.1. So they did get a little bit of some sell-off here, but I definitely think any action in the stock market is often an overreaction. On top of that, we see a bunch of support near and around this red line, which is the 200 moving average line. You guys can see it's gotten buying pressure at that line in the past. So I took an educated decision, bought the stock near and around this 145 area to see if we can get a push up to like the 161. You know, it is up about 3% as of today, but one of the reasons I really think we're getting a lot of buying pressure from AMD isn't because of AMD itself. I think it actually is because of a company goes by Palantir. We all know Palantir here. Palantir is releasing their earnings today, so it's up as of right now about 6%. So I think this right now we're seeing just a lot of continuation among just the overall sector with tech and AI. But let's move on to stock number 2 that we are holding. Stock number 2 here is ticker symbol CRH. CRH has heavy support near and around that blue line, so the 90-day moving average line. It was massively undervalued on that RSI, which is the relative strength index. It was trading for 15 at one point, so we took an educated trade near 176. The stock has moved up to 181. We're risking about $1 to possibly make $2 or $3 a share, which is pretty nice as well. We have this great upward trend, a lot of buying pressure. The ideal goal for this trade is going to be hopping in here like we did, and the target is going to be way up here near and around like the 185 compared to the stop loss, which is going to be down here. So we're risking about $1 to make $5 a share, which is really nice. So we'll see what happens with this one though, but we're definitely up on it. And the thing about trades and trading is you're not going to be dead money on every single trade. We did take a trade on target, which is about a break even trade. We took it near and around that 90-day moving average line, hopping in, I believe, near and around the mid 157 area. We're hoping for a push back up to this trend line here, which is near around 163. But we did get a little bit of some, sell off today. So it's not that big of a deal, but it's something to take note of for sure. And then the next one here is Ross Stores. We took a nice trade on, massively undervalued on the RSI, was trading for 19. We got that push up to the trend line. That's kind of what we were thinking for target, but it still could happen, but we just have to make sure we have a good risk management. So we're setting our stops near and around this 154 area. Yeah, that's kind of the plan right now, but this is kind of some of the positions we're looking at, some of the positions that we're holding. And honestly, the thing about trading and swing trading is it's always better to trade high quality picks rather than a bunch of random stocks. There is still a bunch of stocks with opportunity that I see a whole bunch of value in. We had a variety of stocks here that I liked. Even like ticker symbol ABUS here has heavy support on that trend line. It hit it recently. We could see a nice move from 275 to at least $3 a share to like 330, and this is just by using a basic trend line here. So we'll see what happens with this one here, but I'm super excited. with a lot of positions we're holding. I think we've been doing a very, very good job minimizing risk, but still maximizing reward. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions about how to find these plays, check out my school, code half off, 50% off, and I'll see you in there, guys. But like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.